In this Premiere Pro tutorial, I will show you how to create this music beat effect. I have this video clip with an audio track. I marked those beats earlier to save time. If you don't know how to mark, then I want to tell you that you can add marker from here, or you can double click on the audio track and add marker from here. You can drag this down to see clearly. If you add a marker from here, the marker also show here. After adding marker, go to effect and search for transform. Drag this effect on the video layer. Selecting the video layer, go to effect control. If you scroll down, you can see the transform effect is here. Zoom in a little bit and bring the time head on the marker. Then left click to time on the keyboard. Add keyframe on position, anchor point, check this box. Add a keyframe on scale. Then uncheck this box. Add a keyframe on shutter angle. Now go 2 frames forward by pressing right arrow on the keyboard. Scale 172. Shutter angle 360. Go to 2 frames forward again and reset all the keyframe. Select all keyframe, then hold Alt and drag those keyframe on another marker. This effect because of shutter angle. I really love this. Do the same process until the end. Now see the final preview. It's look pretty. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.